two-game friendly international series between the local-based Reggae Boyz and their Trinidad and Tobago counterparts got me wondering the timing and the way the games unfolded. Were they planned to quell the discontent about too many England-born players in the Reggae Boyz squad? As the struggle continues to find the right balance between foreign and local in the team, one school of thought continues to be more England-based players, better team. The other school of thought, get the right balance between foreign professionalism and local fire, passion and desire. There was never a real credible call for Jamaica Premier League players to dominate Steve McLaren's World Cup squad. So if these two games against Trinidad were to prove a point, it was a pointless point to try and prove. Happy though that some local players got some experience and some exposure. But as for that elusive balance, there is still no closure.